In this video, we will be discussing Shopify subscriptions in detail, including the benefits, the steps to set up a subscription, and common challenges and solutions. This information will be useful for businesses looking to grow their revenue through recurring payments and establish a long-term relationship with their customers. Step 1. Benefits of Shopify subscriptions. Shopify subscriptions provide several benefits to businesses, including increased customer loyalty. By offering a recurring payment option, businesses can build a long-term relationship with their customers and increase customer loyalty. Simplified billing. Shopify subscriptions automates the billing process, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. Increased revenue. Recurring payments help businesses increase their revenue and predict future cash flow. Streamlined operations. Shopify subscriptions integrates with the Shopify platform, making it easy to manage subscriptions, track revenue, and analyze data. Step 2. Steps to set up a Shopify subscription. Setting up a Shopify subscription is simple and straightforward. Here are the steps to get started. Choose a subscription-based product or service. Determine which products or services you want to offer as subscriptions. Set up the subscription in Shopify. Go to the Shopify admin panel, navigate to the Subscriptions section, and select Add Subscription. Customize the subscription settings. Add the subscription to your store. Add the subscription product to your store and promote it to your customers. Start collecting recurring payments. Start collecting recurring payments from your customers. Step 3. Customizing your Shopify subscription. Customizing your Shopify subscription is important to ensure it meets the needs of your business and customers. Here are some ways to customize your subscription. Offer flexible billing cycles. Offer flexible billing cycles, such as monthly, quarterly, or annual, to meet the needs of your customers. Provide discount options. Provide discount options, such as seasonal or loyalty-based discounts, to incentivize customers to sign up for a subscription. Offer gift subscriptions. Offer gift subscriptions to allow customers to gift a subscription to a friend or family member. Automate customer communication. Automate customer communication, such as welcome emails, renewal reminders, and subscription updates, to improve the customer experience. Step 4. Maximizing your Shopify subscription. To maximize the potential of your Shopify subscription, it is important to follow some best practices, such as promote your subscription. Promote your subscription through social media, email marketing, and other marketing channels. Offer a free trial. Offer a free trial to give customers a chance to try out your subscription before committing to a paid subscription. Analyze subscription data. Analyze subscription data, such as the number of subscribers, average revenue per subscriber, and customer churn rate. Make informed decisions about your business. Stay engaged with your customers. Regular engagement with customers can help maintain their loyalty and encourage them to continue their subscription. This can be done through regular updates, special promotions, and gathering customer feedback. By keeping customers informed and engaged, they are more likely to feel valued and satisfied with their subscription. Offer flexible subscription options. Offering flexible subscription options, such as monthly, quarterly, or annual billing cycles, can help attract a wider range of customers. Allowing customers to choose their preferred billing cycle can also help increase customer satisfaction and retention. Provide excellent customer service. Providing excellent customer service is essential for retaining subscribers and building trust with customers. Responding promptly to customer inquiries and addressing any concerns in a professional and helpful manner can help maintain customer satisfaction and reduce churn. Regularly evaluate and improve your subscription offerings. Regular evaluation of your subscription offerings can help identify areas for improvement. This can be done by analyzing subscription data, such as the number of subscribers, average revenue per subscriber. Can I offer different subscription plans on my Shopify store? Yes, you can offer different subscription plans on your Shopify store, such as monthly, quarterly, or annual billing cycles, with different product offerings and pricing. How can I manage my subscribers and track their payment status? Shopify provides a subscriptions dashboard that allows you to manage your subscribers and track their payment status, billing history, and subscription status. Can I offer discounts or promotions for my subscribers? Yes, you can offer discounts and promotions for your subscribers, such as special promotions, exclusive product offerings, and early access to new products. What happens if a customer cancels their subscription? If a customer cancels their subscription, they will no longer be charged and will lose access to the subscription benefits. You can choose to automatically unsubscribe customers or keep their information in your database for future marketing purposes. How can I offer a free trial for my subscription products? Shopify provides the option to offer a free trial for your subscription products. You can set the length of the trial, and customers will be automatically charged after the trial period ends if they do not cancel their subscription. Can I integrate my Shopify subscription with other apps and services? Yes, you can integrate your Shopify subscription with other apps and services, such as email marketing tools, shipping and fulfillment services, and accounting software. By following best practices and utilizing the resources available, such as the subscriptions dashboard, you can maximize the potential of your Shopify subscription and grow your business. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.